Hello guys! Magandang araw! Today is Sunday. So, kahapon, February 17, ay ang aming second wedding anniversary. Pero, hindi namin siya sinelebrate kahapon kasi yung asawa ko not feeling well daw siya. So, ngayon, Sunday, today na lang daw namin i-celebrate. Actually guys, kapag mag-celebrate kami ng mga ganitong okasyon, hindi kami bongga, hindi kami nag-celebrate ng as in bonggacious. Simple lang. Kumakain lang kami dito sa bahay, tapos mag-order lang kami ng pagkain doon sa China Inn. Kami, mga buffet. Mag-order lang kami, tapos siya mag-order, tapos punta siya sa bahay. Dito na kami sa kakain sa bahay kasi marami kaming anak. Tsaka too much work kasi kapag tatlong anak, tapos autistic pa yung isa, tapos si Michael, tapos may baby pa, diba? So mas madali sa amin sa bahay lang kami mag-celebrate. Ganun lang, magpalitan lang kami ng cards. Yun lang yung gawa namin, second anniversary. Na kami, 9 years na kami together. Pero guys, as in all 9 years, actually mag 9 years ngayong August. This year na August. 9 years, pero 2 years pa lang kaming married. Oh. Pero ayos lang. Importante, buhi. Sige. Mamaya na ulit ha. Kasi gagawa pa ako ng mga anik-anik. No? Sige. See you later. Bye. Actually, hindi pa magbabay. May next pa tayo.
Watch TV.
What do you wanna watch?
Watch TV. About the train. About the train. Yay!
Hi, I'm Bob the Train. You want to go on an alphabet ride with me? She's sitting on.
What is the baby?
Wait, I'm just gonna let this shut off because it's so warm. It's like
Okay.
78 in here.
Alright.
This one's feeling sleepy. Hey, look. 200.
That's right, buddy.
279.
That's right.
Alright, you're beautiful now. Yeah, well done.
Package. Could you order something?
Dion, I'm gonna get the package. Alright, go get it, Dion. Go the package. Go get it, please. Alright, Dion. Thank you so much, Dion.
So much.
Okay, lock it, please. Lock the door. Why? Lock it. Take your time. I'm found them. Other one. Lock it over here.
Closing the door.
Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. Close the door. My blanket. Look. Here it is.
Yours. Handset.
Wait, this is yours.
Okay, and this is
This is
yours.
my chicken. Yep. Wow. That's it?
That's it. Where's Michael?
She was here.
She's gonna find in that damn chair. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage.
That's a big square of life, Mama. Mama, watch.
Share na.
Look.
Babe, happy anniversary.
Thank you. Yeah, when I get better, I gotta get out too. I gotta try to contact some other of my friends.
Wow, I got money! Thank you, babe! I didn't expect that. Alright, I got $50. Thank you. My wife. Good.
Wood stove heats up the whole house.
Yeah. Thank you, babe.
Uh-huh. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Thank you. My happiness to go out. Look at that.
Yeah, it's funny. Certain things carry along genetically.
Yeah.
Like music, interest in music. Ready for the night time? Yeah, Uppy, come on. Come on, Uppy. Uppy. Oh, you got bear this time, huh? Bear? Oh, you got bear? You singing with bear? Jingle bells, jingle bells. Pretty good, honey.
They left her.
I gotta get some sleep.
Behind.
Get him to drink his stuff.
I'm trying, babe.
Dion,
Let him
drink.
finish.
Drink it now. Bedtime. Finish it, Dion. It's great. Drink it. It's great. It's bedtime. Let's go. You can do it. You're a big boy.
She's not yet satisfied for the jingle bell.
No, you still want
The
more jingle
singing.
bells. No. Jingle bells.
Mama! Oh, no. Trillion.
So, who's studying there? Look at that. That's Dion.
That is Pilar.
Hi, Dion. How are you?
Hi, Pilar. Hi.
It's Dion over there. Look, that's Dion.
What? Okay. I'm doing like this. You have to do like this. You want to get the beer?
Give it a Dion.
Why?
Why? What did you say?
Bee, Mama. Bee.
Hi, Dion.
Hi, Poo Poo. Mama said, hi, Poo Poo.